If you're waking up tired, dragging through the day, and crashing early with nothing in your tank, you are not lazy. Your body is trying to tell you something, and today you're going to find out what. In this video, I'll break down 5 overlooked reasons why you're always tired and give you simple, real solutions to fix each one. Whether you're a professional, a student, or a parent, if you're always exhausted, this is for you. You might be getting enough hours of sleep, but not restorative enough. Light pollution, inconsistent bedtime, and scrolling through your phones just before bedtime can keep your brain wired even while you're still asleep. Try the 3-2-1 rule. No food 3 hours before bed, no work 2 hours before bed, and no screens 1 hour before bed. High sugar, low protein, and skipping meals, that's a recipe for an energy crash. Your body burns what you give it. So junking means burn out fast. How do you fix this? Add protein to every meal and cut down on sugar drastically. Think of eggs for breakfast instead of cereal, and then nuts and yogurt for snacks. My dehydration, just 1 or 2% affects your energy, focus, and mood. And most of us walk around chronically dehydrated without even realizing it. How do you fix this? Start your day with a glass of water, not coffee. And then aim to drink half your body weight every day. When you're stressed, your body stays in fight or flight mode, and this can critically affect you mentally and physically, even when you're not doing so much physically. How do you fix this? Build in 5 minutes micro breaks within your day. Do some deep breathing, some stretching, and walk around every hour. This can reset your nervous system and give you back some fuel. Ironically, leading a sedentary life makes you feel more tired. Movement increases circulation, oxygen flow, and the release of feel-good hormones like dopamine and serotonin. How do you fix this? Just taking 5 to 10 minutes of walk, stretching, doing light stretching, whether in the office or at home, can wake up your nervous system more than any cup of coffee can. Check your vitamin D and iron levels. These deficiencies are some of the most common causes of chronic fatigue. A simple blood test can reveal a lot, and supplementation might just be the energy boost that you need. Which of these resonate with you deeply? Put it in the comments. Now, this video is going to show you energy boosting foods that you can take daily to keep up your energy, whether at home or at work.